Hi! In this video, I will show you how to get city-wise on the TikTok. So the process is pretty simple. Make sure your device is connected to the internet and go to the Play Store and search for Spirit Speak for Me app Speak. For Me app and download it on your phone. I have already downloaded to my phone, so I simply open it from here. Now you have to write text here. I have already write a text. Hi, how are you? City here. So simply click on the Listen button to listen these texts. Hi, how are you? Siri here. So city-wise here you have to. Click on the Share button. And here you will find a Save to Device option. You have to save it. I have already saved this audio into my phone with audio name. Audio, map 3. Now, to use this in your video, you have to open any video editing app like iClick B612. So, simply click on the music here. I click on it. Sorry, you will see a different option here, and you have to go to your device music. And I have saved this audio with audio. One name now. I click on it. Audio 1. Hi, how are you? Siri here. So start shooting with this button. You have to click on this. Hi. Now, to shoot with this voice, you have to click on this red button. Hi, how are you? Siri here. Hi. How I have showed and saved the video into my phone. Now simply go to the TikTok and upload this video. So the process is pretty simple. If you want to shoot with Siri voice, you can simply follow these instructions. I hope this video will helpful for you. Thank you.